Can you switch on your camera? Okay, so Atul, did you revise anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what did you revise?
The way to introduce myself.
Okay, and I told you to do one homework. You are going to Malta, right?
No, ma'am. Yeah, it's Europe.
Europe. So why Europe? Did you gather the information why you want to go Europe? You
Yes, ma'am.
gathered it. Okay, Amit,
Yes, ma'am.
you were for Malta or Europe?
Malta.
Okay, so why Malta? Did you gather the information? I have shared few points in group also today morning. Did you get
How,
time
ma'am?
to check it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start with the little bit about yesterday's session. Let's do a quick revision of self introduction and why Malta or why Europe. Then we will proceed with further questions today. So Atul, over to you.
Do I need to self introduce myself?
First introduce yourself, then tell why Malta or why Europe.
Mhm. Yes, ma'am. Thanks for giving me a golden opportunity to introduce myself. I, Atul Kumar Verma, hail from Bihar. I have completed my 12th from Manav Bharati Public School. I enjoy nuclear family. I like playing cricket and I dislike cheating people. My strength is to acclimate myself in any environment and my weakness is to be impressed easily. My short-term goal is to pass IELTS exam and my long-term goal is to settle in abroad.
Okay, better than yesterday. At least you are in flow. Your pace is little better, but we will still make it more perfect. Amit, can you give self introduction first?
Yeah, sure. Uh, okay, okay. Thanks for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Amit Singh. I hail from a small town in Nainital district, northern part of my country. Talking about my likings and dislike, I like to play football and I like to play cricket. Talking about my dislikes, so I don't like to go for job or run. uh, Talking about my strength, so first and foremost, my the greatest strength is my family, which supports me in my every ups and downs in my life. And talking about my weakness, so trusting people easily is one of my greatest weakness. Talking about my education qualification, so I have done high school from Army Public School, and then completed my intermediate in convent school. Talking about my short term goal is to go Malta for study, and my long term goal is to become a best dietitian in the world.
Okay, so Amit, very good try. It is better than yesterday, obviously. As you guys know how to give the self introduction, so there are a lot of chances that you will definitely score better now because it is in flow, it is in proper format. You can have a little better energy and more good words. Overall,
Yes,
good try. So, Gaurav, very good afternoon. Are you listening to me?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
We are quickly revising what we did yesterday. So, I request you to switch on your camera and give your self introduction before we move on to other questions. Gaurav, can you hear me? Can you start with your self introduction, please?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to introduce your myself. My name is Gaurav. I am from Delhi. My qualification, I will just complete my senior secondary school in commerce stream in government school. Now I am pursuing BCA in Delhi University, and I am planning to go abroad for my higher education from Malta. Uh, I am belong to nuclear family, including my parents and siblings. I like a game, but I dislike reading a book. To be honestly, my strengths are I am self-motivated persons and I have a strong communication skills also. Thank you.
Okay, Gaurav, tell me honestly, did you get time to revise the format of self introduction?
क्या मैम समझे नहीं मैं
आपने जो कल हमने डिस्कस किया था सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन, टाइम मिला उसको पढ़ने का एक बार?
टाइम तो मिला था मुझे।
हाँ, बट अभी बहुत सारी मिस्टेक्स है, ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स तो है ही, लेकिन फॉर्मेट और फ्लो भी अभी तक आपका क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है। तो जिस फॉर्मेट में दिया था उसी फॉर्मेट में थोड़ा और बेटर बोलना है। पहली लाइन में थैंक्स फॉर गिविंग मी एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ, ये भी आपने थोड़ा सा घबराहट में बोला, ठीक से नहीं बोला। तो आपका अभी इंट्रोडक्शन परफेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है, आपको इंट्रोडक्शन पे भी ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। ठीक है, उसके अलावा मैंने क्वेश्चन दिया था वाई माल्टा, वाई यूरोप या वाई मास्टर्स यूनियन। आप सभी लोगों ने अपनी अपनी कंट्री के हिसाब से कुछ पॉइंटर्स बनाए हैं।
हाँ जी मैम।
ठीक है, गौरव आपने बनाए हैं?
हाँ जी मैम।
ग्रेट, तो हम गौरव से स्टार्ट करते हैं। गौरव, Gaurav, Amit, you can also switch on your camera. I have been repeatedly telling you to switch on your camera. Better now. So Gaurav, let's start with you. Why Malta or why Europe, whichever is your specific country you plan to go abroad and study? I told all of you to gather some points and homework. So we'll start with Gaurav.
Ma'am, I am selecting Malta because Malta is a Mediterranean sea, like shape of boat. It is situated in the central part of the Europe, and the various reasons I have choose a Malta because the first reason is a Malta education system is equal to based on the UK study level, and however the second
गौरव
reason.
गौरव गौरव,
Yes,
हमें
yes, yes.
ऐसे नहीं बोलना है माल्टा पे, हमें कुछ कुछ पॉइंट्स निकालने हैं और वो पॉइंट्स छोटे छोटे टू द पॉइंट्स होने चाहिए। वाई माल्टा और वाई यूरोप, दो ही चीज़ें थी मेजरली। मास्टर्स यूनियन वाली लड़की अभी नहीं आई है। आई डिसाइडेड टू चूज माल्टा एज माई करियर डेस्टिनेशन बिकॉज एजुकेशन सिस्टम इज बेस्ट। Number two, the weather is best. Number three, the people are very friendly. Number four, the crime rate is low. Number five, the chances of settling there is higher as compared to other countries. सिंपल टू द पॉइंट्स। अभी ये लग रहा है कि आप पढ़कर बोल रहे हो या आपने रट्टा लगा लिया है उसको मगअप करके बोल रहे हो, तो ऐसा फीलिंग नहीं आना चाहिए। आई कांटेक्ट मेंटेन रखो, जब भी कोई क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है आई कांटेक्ट मेंटेन करो। वही तरीका है जिससे ये पता चलेगा कि आपका कॉन्फिडेंस अच्छा है। अभी तुम लोग कैमरा भी ऑन नहीं कर रहे हो तो ऐसा लग रहा है कॉन्फिडेंस है ही नहीं तुम लोगों में। घबराना नहीं है,
ठीक है।
ठीक है। अमित, विच इज योर कंट्री? यूरोप। तुम्हारा स्पीकर ऑफ है, अनम्यूट करो अमित।
Yes, ma'am, I'm going to Malta.
हाँ, सो वाई माल्टा?
As study abroad is now trending in India, so I also choose to go abroad for my higher education. But I choose Malta. One of my greatest reason to choose Malta is that Malta is a English speaking country, so I will not face any major issue regarding my communication. And second reason is the Malta's education, which is based on UK education system. Also, the affordable fees of Malta attracts me a lot.
सो बेसिकली अमित, एक तो एजुकेशन सिस्टम, एक अफोर्डेबिलिटी,
Mm.
दो पॉइंट्स तो यही हो गए मोटा मोटा। और द माल्टा मत बोलो, माल्टा ही बोलो उसको। तो जो आपने इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर करी है उसमें से कुछ हाइलाइट्स निकाल लो, दो तीन पॉइंट्स, और उसको दोबारा अभी ट्राई करेंगे। अतुल, ओवर टू यू।
Yes, ma'am. I decided to go to Europe for my further studies because Europe has a lot of prestigious
यूरोप,
universities.
यूरोप, यूरोप।
Yes, Europe. I decided to go to Europe for my further studies because Europe has a lot of prestigious university and their education system is known throughout the world, and and Europe also offer a lot of opportunities for my future. And the second reason is that Europe lifestyle is very good and their climate is also very suitable for me.
सो बेसिकली मोटा मोटा क्या था आपका? एक तो एजुकेशन सिस्टम की आपने बात करी, लाइफस्टाइल की बात करी, और वहाँ का क्लाइमेट की बात करें, तो 3 पॉइंटर्स बना लो और इन 3 पॉइंटर्स को कंसाइसली छोटा करके टू द पॉइंट बोलना है। अभी जब आप इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहे हो ना, ऐसा लग रहा है कि रट्टा लगाया है, इंटरनेट से निकाला है, पूरा रट्टा लगा लिया और बोल दिया। ऐसा फीलिंग एग्जामिनर को नहीं देना है, ठीक है? यू गाइज आर मेच्योर्ड, आप लोग मेच्योर्ड स्टूडेंट्स है। आपको पता होना चाहिए कि कितना टू द पॉइंट और कैसे बोलना है। क्वालिटी आंसर चाहिए, क्वांटिटी नहीं चाहिए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इस क्वेश्चन पे भी हम वापस आने वाले हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दे कैन आस्क यू, what motivates you the most? We have done this yesterday also. What motivates you the most, Atul?
My parents are the one who motivates me the most.
My parents motivate me a lot. Amit,
Yes, ma'am. Am I
what
audible?
motivates you the most, Amit?
Am I audible?
You are audible. What motivates you the most?
My loved ones and of course my parents motivates me a lot.
Okay, Gaurav.
My parents are always motivate me in all situations.
Okay, so my parents are always great motivator for me. Okay. Next question they can ask you, which course have you chosen, Gaurav? Hospitality?
Hospitality
Huh.
and tourism
They can
management.
ask you why you decided to pursue tourism and hospitality. Why this course? Amit,
It
same
is
is
a
for you.
it is
Same
interesting
is,
for me.
wait. Let me complete. Same is for Atul, same is for Amit. They can ask you why this course. So I give you 5 minutes. Jot down the pointers. Think and jot it down. I can ask anyone after 5 minutes why this course. Okay, any one of you who is ready? Gaurav, start.
Ma'am, it is a interesting question according to me. I am choose a hospitality and tourism management course because it's a more successful scope in the future.
Okay, I decided to choose. This is the line, better line.
I
I
decided
decided
to
to
choose.
choose, you can write it down. I decided to choose hospitality and tourism because the success rate of this particular course is very high. Or you can also say the success rate of this particular course is very high, it is lot in demand, and we will have better job opportunities in future. And also I like to be a part of hospitality and tourism industry, that's my passion. मुझे इस इंडस्ट्री में काम करना अच्छा लगता है, फ्यूचर इसका ब्राइट है, जॉब ऑप्शंस बेटर है, ये मेरा पैशन है. 3-4 पॉइंट्स मैंने बोले. अतुल, यू कैन ट्राई.
Computer engineering because this course is to my liking, and there is a lot of opportunities in it for future, and this is also very likable course throughout the world.
ओके, पॉइंट्स लाइकेबल है, दैट इज गुड. बट ऐसा पॉइंट जरूर बोलो कि इसमें जॉब ऑप्शन बेटर है, इसमें करियर ग्रोथ है, इस ये
Yes,
डिमांड में है. ये कोर्स मेरा पैशन है बिकॉज आई लाइक टू बी पार्ट ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग प्रोसेस. सो अपना इंटरेस्ट शो करो, उसका फ्यूचर शो करो, कुछ अच्छे पॉइंट्स और कंसाइसली बोलो. अच्छा ट्राई किया, बट इसको और रिफाइन तरीके से और कंसाइज तरीके से आप सोच सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट अमित. आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं अमित?
आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या?
अब आ रही है,
Audible?
प्लीज बोलिए. यू आर ऑडिबल नाउ.
Okay. As I've already about that, I want to become a nutritionist and dietitian. So I'm pursuing my level 5 diploma from Malta in health and social care, which can become a great building block for my career.
Good one. This was good to the point. Nutritionalist.
Nutritionist and dietitian. Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay. Next question they can ask you. Tell me something about your family. Although आपने एक एक लाइन बोली अपने इंट्रोडक्शन में, आई हैव अ स्मॉल फैमिली, आई हैव अ जॉइंट फैमिली. जब अब वो स्पेसिफिकली दे आस्क यू अबाउट योर फैमिली, यू कैन बी लिटिल मोर इन डिटेल. लाइक आई एम ब्लेस्ड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ न्यूक्लियर फैमिली. माई पेरेंट्स आर माई ग्रेट सपोर्ट. माई फादर इज अ बिजनेस मैन. माई मदर इज अ हाउस वाइफ. आई हैव 2 यंगर सिस्टर्स या आई हैव 2 ब्रदर्स. थोड़ा सा डिटेल में बताना. जब वो फैमिली को स्पेसिफिकली पूछते हैं तो थोड़ा सा डिटेल में बताना है. 5 मिनट लो, एक बार ये क्वेश्चन देखो, सोचो अपने पॉइंट्स एंड वी विल डिस्कस. Are you ready? Any one of you can start about your family. Gaurav, Amit, tell me about your family. Guys, I'm not running very fast just to make sure that whatever we do it in a perfect way. There's no point doing 100% जब उसमें से आप 50% भी नहीं समझ पाओगे. Let's do 80% but make sure 80 का 80 आ जाए. ठीक है? So Amit, tell me about your family.
Talking about my family, there are five of us, including me, my parents, and two my elder siblings. Talking about their occupations, my father is military veteran, and mother is house engineer, and uh, my both siblings are well settled in their life, which give me an inspiration to do good in my career too.
Good try. होम इंजीनियर की जगह होम मेकर या हाउस वाइफ भी बोलोगे तो अच्छा लगेगा. ठीक है? Over to you, Gaurav. To let Gaurav try. Gaurav, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Please try.
I have a five member, my parents and my siblings. My father is a work private sector and my mother is a housewife. And we are three siblings, Anu and Diksha. Anu is my elder sister. He is applying in the government job. And Diksha is a electronic engineer. She is a work in the Mahindra company.
She works. Isani, she works in Mahindra company.
Works in a Mahindra company.
She works with Mahindra बोल दो. In a नहीं आएगा. और she works in a good or reputed company. या she works with an MNC. कुछ ऐसा बोल सकते हो. ठीक है गौरव, इसको और इम्प्रूव करते हैं अभी. अतुल, ओवर टू यू.
I'm blessed to have a nuclear family, including my parents and a younger sibling. My father is a social worker and my mother is a ward counselor. And my younger sister name is Radhya and she studies in sixth standard.
Okay. Good try, but we can make it more better. We'll come to this question again. Next topic, next question they can ask you, what do you like to do in your free time? When you get any free time, what do you like to do? Some of you can say, I like to play cricket. Any one of you can say, I like reading. Or you can say, I prefer to play with my friends. Anything, just think on it. What do you like to do in your free time? Take 5 minutes, plan this answer. Okay, Atul, what do you like to do in your free time?
So I like to play cricket with my friends or I prefer reading.
I prefer to read good books and enjoy with my friends. Okay, Amit,
Yes, ma'am.
what do you
So,
like to do in your free time, Amit?
uh, as I'm a student, I don't get free. I don't get. Sorry, as I'm a student, I don't have much time to. अभी बोल दूंगा लास्ट में. पहले किसी और की टर्न कर लो, उसके लास्ट में बोल दूंगा मैं.
Gaurav, over to you.
Yes, ma'am. In my free time, I do a lots of activities such as listen a song and play a video game. But one of the most I like is scrolling Instagram reel.
Everybody likes to do something or the other in free time. I prefer to listen music and browse Insta.
Yeah.
I prefer to listen music and browse Insta. Okay. Next question. They may ask you, who is the person you respect the most in your life and why? He or she can be your mother, your teacher, any good friend, any good guide, any neighbor, any person who has guided you, who is a great support to you. Who is this person whom you respect in your life and why? Just think, take 5 minutes.
Ma'am, please repeat again.
Who is, sorry,
Please pardon.
I can't hear you. What are you asking?
Ma'am, question.
Who is the person you respect the most in your life and why? किसकी रिस्पेक्ट करते हो अपनी लाइफ में और क्यों करते हो? हम उसी की रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं जिसने हमारी लाइफ में कुछ ऐड ऑन किया हो, हमें कुछ सिखाया हो, हमें डायरेक्शन दिखाई हो, समथिंग लाइक दैट. जस्ट थिंक ऑन इट. कौन है ऐसा इंसान और क्यों रिस्पेक्ट करते हो उसकी? Okay, any one of you ready? The person you respect the most in your life, who's this person and why you respect?
Nice try, sir. The person I respect the most is my father because I have seen him do a lot for me, and he also motivates me the most. That's why I respect him a lot.
Okay, he's your father.
Yeah.
Okay, इसको और better बोल सकते हैं. I'll tell you. Just wait. Amit, can you try?
So
Camera
as
on
I
कर लो
came,
Amit.
so as I came from a very well-mannered family background, so I respect everyone. But the person, those people who I respect the most are my parents, which gave me birth and do a lot for me. And of course, they are paying for my study and education. So yes, I respect them.
Okay, good try. Your starting was good. I'll tell you how to add and delete more. But starting was good. Amit, Gaurav, over to you. Switch on your camera.
This one is an interesting question according to me. I respect a lot of persons in my life. Here I would like to talk about my father. His name is Kishore. He is a good person according to me. And my father is always support me in all situations such as study and financial problem. But I like my father.
Okay. Good try, all of you, but we can make it more better. You can say like this. This is just an idea I'm sharing with you. Respect is something which cannot be commanded. It has to be earned. इज्जत कमाई जाती है. कमाई नहीं जा इज्जत जो है उसको कमांड नहीं कर सकते. मेरी इज्जत करो. इज्जत को कमाना पड़ता है. There are so many people in my life whom I respect, but among them, I respect my father the most. He has not only supported me in my life financially, but always guided me and shown me the right direction. एक फादर जो फिगर होता है वो हमें राइट डायरेक्शन भी तो दिखाता है. फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट तो देता ही है, बट हमें सही गलत की पहचान, क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है, किससे बात करनी है किससे नहीं करनी है, कौन सी डायरेक्शन लाइफ में लेनी है कौन सी नहीं लेनी है. इसलिए रिस्पेक्ट के नॉट बी कमांडेड. रिस्पेक्ट
मैं
कमांड नहीं कर सकते मेरी इज्जत करो मेरी इज्जत करो. मैं कुछ ऐसा काम करूंगी तो लोग मेरी इज्जत करेंगे क्योंकि उनकी लाइफ में कुछ एड ऑन हुआ है. इट हैज़ टू बी अर्नड. कमाई जाती है.
मैम इसको फिर ऐसे कहेंगे द फादर इज अ शेयरिंग अ राइट
फादर नहीं.
डायरेक्शन.
फादर नहीं होता. Respect cannot be commanded, it has to be earned. I have so many people in my life whom I respect. Among them, my father is the person whom I respect the most because he has not only supported me financially but shown me the right direction in life.
ओके मैम.
अभी इसको 5 मिनट लो, एब्जॉर्ब करो, सोचो मैंने क्या बोला, लिखना है लिख लो, कुछ डाउट है पूछ लो. आई एम डूइंग ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन इन वेरी डिटेल ताकि आपको समझ भी आए, आइडिया बिल्डिंग भी हो, बोलने में भी आसानी हो. Any question you have on this particular question? Anything you want me to repeat or discuss? Shall we proceed then?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next question. Have you received any appreciation in life? If yes, when and where? क्या कोई appreciation मिला है, कोई तारीफ मिली है, अगर मिली है तो कब और कहाँ? Have you received any appreciation in life? If yes, when and where? इंटरव्यू में या कहीं भी जहाँ क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे वहाँ हिंदी में आपको नहीं बताया जाएगा. आई एम टेलिंग यू जस्ट टू हेल्प. बायलिंगुअल यूज कर रही हूँ मैं, दोनों लैंग्वेजेस. हैव यू एवर रिसीव्ड एनी अप्रिसिएशन? इफ यस, व्हेन एंड व्हाई? Just think on this question. Have you ever received any appreciation? When and why? Are you guys ready? By any chance, or you still need 2 3 minutes? Are you ready, Atul?
No, ma'am.
मैं बोलूं? So
Bolo.
I have appreciated by a lot of people in my life throughout my career. But one appreciation I remember is when I won my swimming competition in class 12. My loved ones and family members appreciated me a lot. Even my class teacher and principal awarded me in front of all the students in stage. So this is my favorite in, incident.
Amit, very good try. This question was little tough, but it is a good try. इसको और better बोल सकते हैं, but try बहुत अच्छा किया आपने, no doubt. At least you understood what you have to speak. Atul,
Ma'am, I'll try later. I'm still thinking.
okay. Gaurav,
ट्राई करूँ मैं? Yes, ma'am.
yeah, Gaurav, start.
Okay, ma'am. In my life, I have received lots of appreciate in my life. Here I would like to talk about my in my life. I am, to be honestly, I am a Nirankari, and I am a Nirankari person. In my free time, I do a lots of activities, seva, satsang, and simran. And my parents are always proud of me. Here I would like to talk about in my 12th class. I was studying in 12th class, and I was participate in the kabaddi because I am a sports person. I'm sorry.
It is okay, at least you tried. That is okay. You can say we all are humans. We like to be appreciated. सबको अच्छा लगता है appreciation सुनना तो है ना. So we are humans, we like to be appreciated. I also got lot of appreciations, but the best appreciation I got in my life was by given by my 12th class teacher, that I am the most helpful person in my class, and that is a fact. I always like to help everybody in my surroundings. Simple, to the point, very simple language.
Ma'am,
Now
this
you
one
can.
is cue card.
दिस इज़ नॉट क्यू कार्ड. अभी हम क्या कर रहे हैं, आपको बोलने की प्रैक्टिस करा रहे हैं. और अगर यही क्वेश्चन क्यू कार्ड की फॉर्म में आ जाता है, डिस्क्राइब द पर्सन यू रिस्पेक्ट द मोस्ट, डिस्क्राइब अ सिचुएशन व्हेन यू रिसीव द बेस्ट एप्रिसिएशन, तो बोलना तो पड़ेगा ना. अभी तो तुम हेजिटेट कर रहे हो, बोलने में डर रहे हो, कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड कर रहे हैं, बोलने के वर्ड सिखाए जा रहे हैं, लाइन्स सिखाई जा रही हैं. नाउ अगेन थिंक ऑन दिस टॉपिक, एप्रिसिएशन वाला जो अभी मैंने बोला. व्हेन यू रिसीव एप्रिसिएशन, बाय whom एंड वाई. You can take 3-4 minutes again.
मैम एक क्वेश्चन था. हेलो.
सॉरी, आई वाज अनेबल टू अनम्यूट. हाँ जी, बोलिए.
मैम मैं ये कह सकता हूँ क्या इसमें आइडिया क्रिएट कैसे करेंगे हम?
देखो, आइडिया और जो थॉट क्रिएशन है, उसके लिए हमें रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस करना है. मैं स्पीकिंग की कुछ सैम्पल्स आपको क्यू कार्ड को शेयर करूंगी. आइडिया जनरेशन प्रैक्टिस से आता है और सैम्पल रीडिंग से आता है. आप लोगों को रीडिंग की हैबिट नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, कोई अच्छी बुक्स या अच्छी मोटिवेशनल बुक्स नहीं पढ़ते हो, दैट इज़ ओके. बट क्यू कार्ड में हम आपको जो क्यू कार्ड के सैम्पल्स देंगे, एटलीस्ट वो पढ़ना शुरू करो. हफ्ते भर जब आप रोज़ सैम्पल्स पढ़ोगे, रेगुलर पढ़ोगे, तो आपकी आइडिया जनरेशन खुद ही होने लगेंगे. सोचने का जो काम है ना, थॉट प्रोसेस का, वो कोई नहीं बदल सकता. बट हम उसको प्रैक्टिस से और रेगुलर रीडिंग से अपनी स्पीकिंग को बेटर कर सकते हैं.
ओके.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
अभी इस पे सोचो, जो सोच पा रहे हो. मैं सैम्पल्स आपको शेयर कर दूंगी, नथिंग टू वरी. वुड यू लाइक टू ट्राई नाउ?
Yes, ma'am.
गिव इट अ ट्राई.
I have got appreciated a lot of times. The best time I remember was when I got appreciated by my parents and my teacher when I scored first place in my mathematics Olympiad exam. in class 11.
ओके, बेटर बोला अतुल, उसको थोड़ा और बेटर कर सकते हैं. आई लाइक टू रिसीव लॉट ऑफ एप्रिसिएशंस. आई रिसीव्ड वन बेस्ट एप्रिसिएशन in my class 11th that was related to my maths olympiad, and I was appreciated by my friends, parents, family, school, teacher, everybody. Amit, over to you.
As we all know, getting appreciation makes a human feel happy. Uh, so I'm no. Wait, ma'am.
कोई बात नहीं गौरव, आप ट्राई करो.
मैम मैं बाद में ट्राई करूंगा, अभी थॉट्स नहीं आ रही.
अच्छा, इस पे थॉट नहीं आ रहे तो ये क्वेश्चन ज़रूर लिखो, और इसको थॉट को क्रिएट करके शाम को 1 मिनट का रिकॉर्डिंग मुझे शेयर ज़रूर करना.
ओके.
वापस आते हैं सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन पे. एक बार सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन देखो, एक बार उसको दोबारा प्रैक्टिस करते हैं 2-3 मिनट लगा के, फिर आगे चलते हैं. Just have a look at your self introduction again.
मैम मैं ना एक बार आपको ना सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन लिख के दूंगा, आप उसमें से मैम मुझे वो बता देना कहाँ कहाँ मिस्टेक है, क्या क्या मुझे इसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट करनी पड़ेगी.
ठीक है, आप लिख के दे देना, मैं भी आपको सैंपल दे दूंगी इफ़ यू वांट.
ठीक है मैम, क्योंकि
मैं
अभी
ग्रुप
थोड़ा सा
में,
मुझे समझ नहीं
आप
आ
लोग
रहा मैम.
सोचो जब तक मैं ग्रुप में डालती हूँ सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन.
हाँ.
मैम इंट्रोड्यूस करूं? May I introduce?
Yeah, you can start.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. I am Amit Singh. I hail from a small town in Nainital district, born and brought in lap of Himalayas. Talking about my qualifications, I have done my 10 plus 2 from Army Public School and then intermediate from a convent school. Talking about my strength, which is one of my greatest strength is my family, which supports me a lot in my ups and downs. And talking about my weakness is that I trust people very easily, which can become sometimes very harmful for me. Talking about my hobbies, so I like to play football, and as I'm a fitness conscious person, so I like to work out and many more things related to health. My short-term goal is to go Malta for my higher studies, and my long-term goal is to become a great nutritionist and dietitian in the world.
Great. Can you pronounce that word again?
Great nutritionist and dietitian in the world.
Nutritionist.
Nutrition,
Nutritionist.
nutritionist.
हाँ, that is the word. Okay, good try. I have also shared the ideas for self introduction in group. And any other person who would like to try the self introduction now?
Yes, ma'am. I will try.
Start करो.
Thanks for giving me a golden opportunity to introduce myself. I, Atul Kumar Verma, hail from Bihar. I have completed my 12th from Mana Bharati Public School, and I enjoy nuclear family. And I like to play cricket, and I dislike cheating people. My strength is to acclimate myself in any environment, and my weakness is to be impressed easily by people. And
Okay.
my short-term goal is to pass IELTS, and my long-term goal is to settle in abroad.
अतुल गुड ट्राई, बट आइलेट्स नहीं है, आइल्स है. थोड़ा सा
Yes,
एनर्जी हाई
IELTS.
रखो और इंट्रोडक्शन और बेटर कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. आई विल कम टू यू गौरव. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच इज़ योर फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट एंड वाई? because you're going for study route, study things, they can ask you which is your favorite subject and why. आप इस पे सोचो दोनों एक बार, जब तक गौरव इंट्रोडक्शन देगा.
हम्म,
Gaurav, do you
तुझे
want to
कितना
give
बोला था
some
तो?
introduction?
ma'am.
You must give it a try. Even if it is wrong, go ahead.
Thanks for giving opportunity to introduce your myself. My name is Gaurav. I am from Delhi. My qualification I will complete my senior secondary school in commerce stream in government school. Now I am pursuing BCA in Delhi University. Now I am planning to go abroad for my higher education from Malta. I am belong to nuclear family including my parents and siblings. I like a game. I dislike a reading a book. My strengths, to be honestly, my strengths are I am a self-motivated person and I have a strong communication skills also. But my short-term goals, I will just complete my hospitality and tourism management, and my long-term goals to be build a business in the same field. Thank you.
गौरव, बहुत सारे ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स है. प्रेपोजिशन ऑन, एट, ऑफ गलत लगा रहे हो. हालांकि आपको पता है क्या बोलना है, लेकिन ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स को थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना है. आप एक सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन का पैराग्राफ बना लो, जो मैंने आपको आइडियाज़ ग्रुप में डाले हैं उसकी हेल्प से, और जो आपको पता है उसको मुझे सेंड करो. व्हाट्सएप पे टाइप करके सेंड करना. फिर मैं उसको
ठीक है
एडिट करके आपको दोबारा सेंड करूँगी, ताकि आपको पता चले कि ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स कहाँ पर हो रहे हैं. Meanwhile,
ओके
last question for today is, which is your favorite subject and why? Take 5 minutes, prepare on it. I will tell you when to start one by one.
Just speech में जवाब सर. लगाना पड़ेगा.
खड़ा खड़ा कर दिया क्या?
I hope you are preparing on favorite subject. Which is your favorite subject and why?
ये तो भाई क्या मैं भी आऊँ? चेयर आ जाएगी यार. चेयर आ जाएगी. चेयर ले आ जाएगी. आ जाएगी तो ला सकती है. क्या चेयर? अबे तो सामान ही तो है ये.
Okay, any one of you who is ready with your favorite subject and why? I'm giving you more time to prepare. You are already student. जल्दी जल्दी बोलो.
मैम
Favorite subject and why?
मैं बोलूँ,
Okay.
honestly speaking, I don't like to study, and sorry ma'am, दोबारा से start करो. Honestly speaking, no subject attracts me a lot as I've studied a lot of subjects. But yes, talking about biology, it I show interest to study biology because it shows various diagrams and various biological fundamentals to us, and it is also related to my passion, which I am going to continue.
इसको और बेटर तरीके से ढूंढिए और अच्छा आंसर करिए. जितने क्वेश्चंस मैंने आज कराए हैं सभी क्वेश्चंस को दोबारा सोच के 1-1 मिनट की ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग मुझे होमवर्क में ज़रूर शेयर करिएगा. हो सके तो वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग भी दे सकते हैं, ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा. नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट, विच इज़ योर फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट एंड वाई?
Ma'am, I'll try. My favorite subject, my favorite subject is mathematics, and and I like mathematics because when I solve mathematics, it's give me a very good feeling, and math is also very practical subject, and it's helps a lot of in problem in in my practical life, and also math is very important for the future course I'm pursuing. That's why I like math.
अतुल मैथमेटिक्स बोलो, उसको मैथ्स मत बोलो, और थोड़ा सा और रिसर्च करो उसके ऊपर. नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट.
Okay, ma'am.
Here I would like to talk about my lots of favorite subject: business, economic, account, information technology, and mathematics. But one of the most I like a business subject
There
because
cannot
it,
be lot of favorite subjects. Don't make it complicated. You can say I am a person who likes business studies the most. I am the person who like to study mathematics the most. And give the reason. That's it. Simple करो उसको, complicate मत करो. तुम्हारे लिए प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी कोई और क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया तो.
here I
Guys,
would like
I
to talk.
want wait. I want all of you to revise all the questions we have done today. Best way is to revise is to record the answer in the audio or video form and share to me for evaluation. Always keep a pen and paper when you are taking a class to make the note of important points. आप जो भी लिखें व्हाट्सएप पे लिखें, उसको मेरे को सेंड करें अगर किसी आंसर में प्रॉब्लम है, सो दैट आई कैन एडिट एंड शेयर यू बैक. गौरव, सबसे बड़ा हिच जो तुम्हारा है, तुम्हारा ग्रामर का बहुत ज़्यादा इशू है. बाकी लोगों का ग्रामर का रिलेटिवली कम इशू है, एंड दे आर एबल टू अडॉप्ट.
Okay.
फाइन. सो योगेश जी, व्हेन आर वी कनेक्टिंग नेक्स्ट? Fair enough, sir. So no problem. So guys, we are wrapping up here for today. Please revise it. I'll share you the cue card sample book in the group. Right, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, take care. Have a nice day, all of you.
Thank you. मैम आप वो मुझे वो भेज देना क्यों इसका
मैं ग्रुप में डाल
इंट्रो.
रही हूँ.
हाँ जी,
Okay, thank you,
ये
ma'am.
इंट्रोडक्शन का वो फॉर्मेट.
I'll do that.
ठीक है, थैंक यू जी.